That is the morph array, and that, of course, is Jerry. The morph array is used in Ratchet and Clank to turn your enemies into chickens.
You know, but wait, before you do that, just explain to me how it's going to work.
Oh, it worked. Jerry's a chicken. Are you sure we can turn him back, Jerry?
The morph array, one of 36 weapons and gadgets not fit for this world. Rated T for teen.
Okay, Pete here is going to try to hit that target with the Devastator, the rocket launcher designed for Ratchet and Clank.
Oh, man. Oh.
The Devastator, one of 36 weapons and gadgets not fit for this world. Rated T for teen.
Alright, we're gonna try and hit that water bottle with the new upgradable gravity bomb from Ratchet and Clank.
Go!
Oh, way off.
You missed it. My bad.
Alright! The gravity bomb, one of 51 weapons and gadgets not fit for this world.
These are the gravity boots from Ratchet and Clank Going Commando, and Lou here is going to try and walk up this wall. Go, Lou.
Don't run it all the way out.
Hey! Dude! I thought you know how to work that thing.
Is that him?
That is a plane!
Gravity boots, one of 51 weapons and gadgets not fit for this world. Rated T for teen.
That is Corey. He's helping us with our inflatable decoy test for Ratchet and Clank. Oh, man.
The inflatable decoy, one of 36 weapons and gadgets not fit for this world. Rated T for teen.
Alright, today we're trying out the new shock blaster from Ratchet and Clank Up Your Arse. Whoa!
Dude, they got your mom.
Hey, return fire! Dude, higher!
Okay, it's on. It's on.
Take it online. Weapons and gadgets not fit for this world. Rated T for teen.
Alright, today we're trying out the new shock blaster from Ratchet and Clank Up Your Arsenal. It's gonna be awesome. Whoa! Steve! Steve!
Oh, no.
Shock blaster. Yet another weapon not fit for this world. Rated T for teen.
This is the new shrink ray from Ratchet and Clank for PlayStation Portable, and we're gonna shrink our friend Larry so he can sneak into the girls' tent while they're changing.
Wow.
Dude, run. Is that an owl?
Yeah.
The Shrink Ray. All new weapons, all new levels. Ratchet and Clank size matters. Rated everyone 10 and up. PSP.
Today we're going to test the tractor beam from Ratchet and Clank Going Commando. Oh, nice, dude. Nice job. Nice job.
No, turn that thing off! No, turn it off!
Sweet.
The tractor beam. One of 51 weapons and gadgets not fit for this world. Rated T for teen.